Today we'll talk about how can you change email on your StubHub app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on profile down here. So when you just click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, you keep going down here. So then you click here on contacts, you just click on it. When you click on contact, it's going to take you to this list. So just switching to open video here. It's going to show for you like this. You can enter your email address, click in this sign. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on send verification email. Then you get your verification on your email. Then there in your email can you change your your email from your email. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.